Oxygen therapy doesn't have to keep you at home. Now you can get the oxygen you need without missing out on the life you love. Introducing the Philips SimplyGo Mini. It's the smallest and lightest portable oxygen concentrator ever developed by trusted Philips, the #1 respiratory brand of choice by pulmonary physicians. The SimplyGo Mini makes its own oxygen and can be recharged anywhere. With the powerful extended battery, the SimplyGo Mini delivers up to 9 hours of on-the-go freedom.
If I didn't have the SimplyGo Mini, then I wouldn't be able to fly, so I'd be trapped. It gave me even more freedom. It gives a patient flexibility and allows them to be more mobile. Because the more mobile, the more active we are, the better quality of life we're going to have.
See for yourself how the SimplyGo Mini can help change your life. Simply call the number on your screen or visit our website to learn more.